Then 1/4 of the life you spend close to nature. So this is generally like forest dwelling or dwelling in nature, you can say normally, okay? And then the last 1/4 you leave everything and you kind of like realize the entire game. So this is a model, okay? So let's not talk about like good, bad and all of this stuff, okay? So there is a model, and this model is given by it's like in the ancient, I don't know which book it is, but it is in, must be in some book like Vedas or something, some book must be there. So this is the ashram model of life, okay? Ashram means like first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. So you can look at this as a video game. So this is like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. This is how you play. And now I have drawn the model that we are following today. So show you like how this model is actually so much better than what we are doing today. And we think like, oh, that one was not working. But this one is like completely infunctional. So what is this model? So this model is 1/3 of your life you spend in learning. So from around age 4 to most of the people like age 25. So 75 is the average life, okay, these days. So 1/3 of your life you spend in learning, okay? Then 1/2 of the life, like till the age 65 or 60, you spend in earning. Now in this model, this was like 1/4. Now look at how much time this is now. So from 25 age to 65, 40 years. So in old Indian model, if you take like 75 as a life, this must be around like 1/4 of that. 80, 90, 19 years, 20 years let's take, okay? If you do 80. So this is 20 years, and now you are working how many years? Now you are working 40 years. So double. So you are working more. What about this like living with the nature? Oh, that part is gone. Nobody cares about that anymore. And what will happen even in the last like 1/6 of your life or last 10 years? You will be staying in some old age home. TV will be there, or you will be on your bed. You will be like sick. You can't get up. You don't have anybody to take care of you and nobody, okay? So it's like that. While in this model, everything was taken care of. Why? Because this people who earn, they don't earn for themselves as such. Like the model was, at least in theory, it was like these guys will earn and these guys will provide for all of these also. Like people who want like spiritual or who are in the next stage. So they will sustain all